Amina, I will go drop her and come.
Mom? Mom, why are you like this? If you're sad, I can't leave, you know, Mom.
You leave. You like Linda more than your mother, right? You go and have fun with her.
What are you saying, Mom? Anyway, you are going to get me married in a year. I also have a desire to study in a hostels, no? You won't allow me for Bangalore or Coimbatore. That's why I decided this one.
But you are leaving your mother, right?
You know how tough it was to get admission. You're getting worried in a last minute. Why, Mom?
Can't you study from your hostel? That's somewhere nearby her house?
Oh my god, I can't, Mom. Chennai isn't that far. Sina is here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Walaikum salam.
I thought you were gone.
Are you coming with me?
I am not coming. I have some another work, so I want to go.
Oh.
And auntie, actually, my friend told she has some love affair, so she have to escape from their home. I think it has been true.
Sinu brother,
Yes.
shall I bring some halwa for you? Don't need? That Moido is already mad. Now you started too?
Hey, nothing like that. She would have told me if that's the case.
Moni brother, start the car.
You see, auntie,
I
she
should
is
be leaving now.
escaping. I think something wrong.
Tata. Let's go.
Auntie, she is comfort to eat hostel food.
It's not really a hostel, Sinu.
Huh.
Some girls rented a house there. Then there is a maid is there to cook your food.
Has anyone
I
reached?
came because you are coming, right?
My dad's calling. Dad? Good morning. Yeah, I have reached. Linda is here with me. When are you coming here, Dad? Oh, okay. I'll give it to her.
Hi, how are you, uncle? Yeah, I'll take care. You don't have to worry. For cooking also, maid is there now. Her name is Rosamma. We call her Rosatan. Ah, she's a kind of psycho, but she cooks very well. Yeah, I'll get to her. For you.
Tell me, Dad. Yeah, I've taken the medicines. Okay, I'll call Mom. I'll call her, Dad. Okay.
How much caring your dad is doing. When I see all this, I'm feeling like somewhat about my dad. Huh? When will you come? Huh? She's already here. We are just chit-chatting. Hey, don't forget to bring the pickles, okay? Sure, I'll tell her.
Who is it?
Oh, that one is Amrita, our roommate. She is a
Oh.
crazy one. I've told her that you are already coming here. She is telling you are Mendel. For studying in this college, you're coming this much far away.
Huh? Why? Is our campus that bad?
If you ask me like that, yeah. If not, also same. It's been 2 years I'm studying in this campus, but I'm feeling 20 years as of now. I'm feeling so boring. Every day in this campus will fill our minds like a Satyanandikad movie, totally, fully.
Did I make a mistake?
No, but slightly. But you changed for me, right? That is so stupid.
You stop scaring me.
Hey, there is nothing to fear as such. Our campus is not extraordinary and all. It is legendary one. It's an institute recognized for housing 100% cat callers.
Huh? Cat callers?
You heard of guys who can stare and make pregnant?
Huh?
Huh? Here it's not just that. You will be carrying 10 months just a look. Some can get the baby born right away.
Oh my god. What should I do now?
First and all, it will be difficult, but soon it will be okay.
You mean delivery?
Not delivery idiots.
If everyone is like that, how can I go to that college?
Everybody is like that only in our college, from principal to peon.
Huh?
Here's a list of 9 people you should be afraid of. This is Supplykutan. He has dedicated his life for writing backlogs. Get lost. And the next avatar is Girish. In college, he is called as liar.
Why does everyone calls you as a liar, bro?
That's a long story, man. When everyone used to bust the crackers, I used to send the rocket.
Rocket. What is that?
Have not you seen that? Fly up and burst in flames. It's very beautiful, you know.
Uh-huh.
You have to be more scared about Jati.
Jetty.
Sajeev C. Sundar. That is his real name. But in campus, he is known as Jetty.
Why? Does he stay near it?
Not that. I'm talking about the underwear. Yeah, that one only.
You.
If you want to know about him now, this is not the only thing. You should see something.
I did not take that.
Hey, stop! You wear my underwear again without asking me? Then I will kill you, idiot. Huh? Understand?
Is he the jetty?
No, he's not. This is the one. The person has another side also.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Sir, 1 minute.
What?
I want to give this one to Sunny. Just see this, sir. Fully damaged. Look it, sir. For this damaged inners only, they're beating me, sir.
Sir, that's not mine.
I know you tell like this. That's why I brought 2 of your roommates. Come inside, bros. Tell to everybody, bros.
Sir, this belongs to Satish only. I have seen it.
No, sir, that's not mine.
Sir, this one is this new inner. Hey, what is this guy?
Funny.
This new one means you know how the rest of inners. Take it back and go to hell, man. We will see you again. Nishan, play the music.
Disgusting. How do people behave like this?
Yes, of course. Now you understood about our college, right? Anyway, we are going tomorrow, right? You'll get idea about the rest of them tomorrow, okay?
I'm so scared. What should I do now?
You don't get scared. If someone does anything to you, you just tell to Adi.
Adi. Who is it?
In a college full of this many troublemakers, he's the only exception who is existed. That is Adi. If you want, you can call him as a college hero.
Hero. Is it a cinema?
Yeah. What happened on our stay is bigger than that.
Hey, do you think you are Veerappu Sundarsi? Looking muscular, why don't you change your name Satiraj, huh? Look like Malabar police. Huh? Very good, ra. It suits for me, da. How is
So
it?
great, ra.
Looks mass.
Please return it. Next, it's my program.
Take it.
Yes! Attack! Yeah!
ribbon glass. If you touch it again, I will chop your legs.
I thought I reached the right place. Now I feel like I shouldn't have come. You're the only reason why I'm here. You should have informed me earlier, no?
A fool. Who will tell bad about our own college? Not only that, almost all colleges are like this only.
Keep your phone down, switch off the light and sleep.
Okay, let's see then.
Hello, darling.
Hey, come in and have some tea, da.
I'm not coming. Please ask him to come outside. We are in a hurry. We have a lot of work. Ask him to come out.
Adi,
Hey, bro.
Adi.
Yeah, I am coming.
What he's doing? Already it's too late. What he's doing? Hey, come fast, man. Already
Yeah,
late.
coming.
Hey, take this and go.
Dad, I am leaving.
Here, keep it.
Dad, that's enough.
Bloody family tragedies. Why they gave you little money?
Let's move.
Yeah, okay.
Dad, I'm leaving.
Bye, Dad.
Okay, da.
Ah.
Take care.
Ah,
Yeah,
Okay.
take care.
bro, I want to see today.
Hey, no, bro. It's too risk.
What risk, man?
It will make some problem.
Hey, get lost,
The
man.
colonel will be there,
Ah.
searching somebody to shoot.
Oh,
I am not coming. I am afraid.
listen, I'm going. Join if you can.
Don't
Okay?
go,
It's
brother.
not really required. I didn't see long time. Please try to understand. I can't see anyone. Nobody's here.
Take this.
Will the
Hey,
colonel go
wait,
there?
bro. First, I will see.
Give it to me. And be careful.
Oh, God. He should not be there. Please save me, God.
Hey, carefully. Hey, slowly, man.
You wait there. Oh, my God. If he see me, I will definitely die. Thank you, thank you.
Bloody thieves.
Oh my God. Oh, Colonel is gone. My life is gone. Jai Hind. Janahan Manahadinayaga Jaya He. Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat. This is the correct
Hey,
time
come
to
fast, man.
escape. Janahan Manahadinayaga.
Jetty, run!
Please don't shoot.
Hey, come.
Please give me help. Come fast. Otherwise, I am dying.
Come quickly.
I think he became mad.
I have not seen such a infiltration even in Kargil.
It seems like I'm laughing, but I'm really scared.
Don't show it outside, okay? You saw the guy with deadlocks?
Come on.
His name is Marley. Real name is
Do it
Vishnu. From the same group I have mentioned.
Do it like
no?
that.
All these gangs belong to that one.
Nose has to touch the floor.
Hey, Linda, madam. Please wait. Why are you going so fast? Who is that
Hey,
with
don't
you?
stop.
Is that a
Hey,
fresher?
continue.
She's
Why
my
you are
friend.
stopping?
Is it?
She'll be in this campus from now on.
Then you can leave. Let me introduce myself to her.
Sure, you can have introduction with her, but I'll be right here.
There is no problem. What is your name?
Jenna.
Got the impression of a jinn first time itself.
It's not Jin. Jenna.
Where are you from?
Ambur.
Ambur. From Ambur, why did you select this campus? Is this campus is much famous there?
No, I studied with Linda earlier. She's my schoolmate. That's why I came here.
Then I came to your hometown. Can I get biryani?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, then I'll take a leave.
Yeah, wait a minute. Which party are you?
League.
League.
My father supports League, so it's same for me.
Hey, bro.
What?
This is our final year, you know. You have to think about that. This is the last chance to getting into love. My dear bro, lot of beautiful girls in their college.
So
you
what?
propose him to anyone.
I'm not like you. Hey, brother.
We have lot of beautiful memories. We can remember up to end of the life.
If you cursed by woman,
Oh no, what curse? when we get bored in this love, suddenly we should not avoid them.
Why, bro?
We should make her as our best
For the
friend.
lesson. Huh?
Is it right? Are you sure? It's very
will
hard to
agree.
get a good word from your mouth. At last, you will be single.
Let that be. I have some expectation about the girl. That would be fall for.
Oh, I know everything. She should looking pretty, like your mother. She should carry you like.
So you remember that.
So
Let's
shall we
go
do
then.
one thing? So we will go to
What, brother?
LKG or primary schools, and then we will bring
Stop
some
making
kids.
fun of me. I will find her someday.
Yeah, definitely come. We'll come. See, you will never get a girl in your life.
Hey, get lost.
I think we need to do some audition for that.
You go and hit on the next
somebody.
girl. I will be near
Go,
the
we will
canteen,
meet after
okay?
some time. Hi, Shruti. Shruti, this is not a right place to do. Tell me, will you come or not?
I'm so scared.
Fear. For what? Tell them that you are going temple. Nobody will get doubt on you.
I'll confirm you when I call you tonight.
Enough. That's enough. Hi, Ramya.
Yeah, come on. Make that little bit bigger. Then only we can climb in and take the mango. Do you need any scale for measurement? Oh, that Jenna is also an artist, right?
We want to leave, Marley. How long has it been? This is really bad.
Hey, wait. Do one thing. Before going, take the ladder and keep it in the tree. Then you can go right.
This is only drawing, no.
So what? It's just a ladder. A political party represents strength. What is the use of your ladder? You can climb the trees, pluck the coconut and mangoes. Take our party for strong sickle. It gives immense strength. Sickle. When you hear the name itself, you can get the more strength.
What a new vessel. She's cute. She looked like his mother. He can carry her too. Adi, your girl has arrived.
Adi's girl. Then Jenna, you can go.
Come. Come
Heard
fast.
it right. Adi's girl. When did it happen? She just arrived, right?
We have to take care of
Adi.
the membership. Huh?
Your girl.
What?
Oh, very hot. Please take him.
Hey, what, dude?
Your girl is there.
Which
Come.
girl? What are you saying?
Come fast, bro. How is she? Man, how is she? Exactly. I imagined. Huh?
She doesn't
Her face?
have attitude.
Beautiness. That's enough. You will leave the pride. That will change. I have seen so many girls. Come, let's speak.
No. It's just her first day. Let's do it tomorrow.
First day, what you man? Do you know how many boys are waiting for her?
But still,
You don't say anything. Come with me.
where did she go?
Come, we will search him.
Where is she? Dude, where did
My
she go?
thinking also same. Come, we will go and search there.
Let's go. Shit.
Hey bro, she's coming. Go fast. Hi.
Hi,
Your sweet name, please.
Jenna.
Good name. Do you remember me?
Jetty, right?
Huh? Do you have?
What?
How you know me?
Yeah, lot.
Do you know him?
Aren't you a loser?
This is not him.
Then?
This is my friend Adi.
Oh, Adi. Yeah, I've
From
heard.
where? Tell her. Hey, tell bro.
What?
This is my first experience.
What first time? I really don't get it.
Actually, this is the first time. We want to tell some important matter. We have some proposal.
Oh, proposal from whom?
Hey, don't worry. It's for Adi.
Look, I just entered the college. I haven't stepped inside the classroom and you are going to propose to me? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Actually, you are the first year. That's why you know anything about this campus. He's
Yes.
become last year. He never proposed the girl. He is pure virgin. Hey, look at him.
Yes,
Not for my friend. He is very good boy. Why he is waited for so long time? Only for you. Really, it's true.
Hey, Jetty, have you started already?
Hey, no.
Jenna is my friend,
I see.
my classmate. She joined today.
Then?
Don't even think about it. She's already married. It was a month ago.
Married? Oh, what a tragedy.
Okay, shall we leave, Adi? Come. As of now, we have escaped.
But that was too much.
For years, I told. If you want, I can
No,
change
it's
it.
okay.
Did that Chetty tell you anything?
Yeah, he told. Not just. He proposed.
What? He's an idiot only.
Not for him. For Adi.
Yeah? For that Adiya. Hey, you are lying. I won't believe you.
Hey, I swear. Why should I lie to you? The 9 guys you mentioned, they are not the ones to be scared of. I should be scared of Adi.
What you are telling?
You didn't see the way he stared at me? So intense. Useless. He waited for so long. For me, it seems.
Huh? Did he say like that? I can't believe it still.
He didn't say it. Jetty only told. He said Adi is in love with me.
If he said so, you are very lucky.
Lucky? Have you gone mad?
Jetty, if Jana is married already, it's not right of me to love her.
Bro, 100% sure she is not married. I can understand the girl who is married or not.
But Linda said she is married, right? Why would she lie to me?
I have came to Ambur many times. I have aunt there. I think Jana, you have been really tensed, right? Maybe it's because of first day. It will be alright soon. You can't find any good campus like this outside.
Linda already told me.
Hey, Pramod.
Sir?
Sit down. Can you clean out the dog's poop by washing it?
No, sir.
No, right? And that's you. Is this your class?
No, sir.
Then get out from here. Go. Look at his face and beard. Worst fellow. Go. What, Jana? Did you like our campus?
Just now I started.
You will love it as soon as possible. Don't worry. We are there, right? Your father have called me and told to take a
so
special
early
care
in the
on you.
morning. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning. What, Bijumanan? Aren't you early today?
Yes, sir. Thinks he is genius or something, idiot. Why is he here even before the bell rang? Sadly, he is the principal. Where is the other guys? You are new, right? You can learn, but it's a pointless here.
Hey, Linda is coming, man.
Must be here to tell me to stop following her.
Adi,
What?
do you love Jenna that much? I didn't know that he proposed for you only. That's why I lied she was married.
See, I already told you, no?
What did you say?
I'm already told she is single.
Oh, you scanned all already. Hey Adi, the day you drop his friendship, no, your life
it
will
all.
change.
Hey, you know everything about me, right? Tell her that. I love her a lot.
Okay, I'll help you, but I'm not sure because she's from an Orthodox family. Then also I'll talk to her what is her opinion. And then it's up to you. Okay, then see you then.
Bro, what is the next plan?
During my last year in this Chitloor college, if I found a girl who stole my heart, then that's destiny. Dude, she's mine.
Ching in the Rhine. I want more in the Rhine.
We are also there here.
Ching in the Rhine. I want more in the Rhine.
Hey, you Ambur Biryani.
She will make my hands work. I will just give it a try. What if it works?
Hey, don't do it. She's Adi's girl.
Get lost, man. She didn't say yes to him. I will go and correct her. You just shut up. Hi. I am Giri.
Oh,
You See? She's talked to him.
Do you like our college campus?
It's not that great.
Hey, stop for a minute. What's wrong with our campus?
Do I say it?
Yeah, please tell me.
This is my first time in a campus with so many flirts.
If you learn so much in just one day, then you are next level.
Make him understand. Tell him she's my girl.
I think there is no use of telling her. Come, let's see.
But don't see me in that group.
Then how should I see you?
You can see me as a best friend.
Sure.
Huh?
I already have lots of friends. I'll let you know if I need more.
Okay, sure. Just go, man.
I think he will be a problem for us.
In this college, no, every girl has an eye for Adi. Even me too.
Linda, where are you going?
We come.
You know, you said we take a long ride. Do it properly.
Is it some sort of a meat shop?
Here inside, okay? Look, this is a pioneer. I told you, na, guys who can make stare and make pregnant. He is one of them.
Bro, who is that girl?
Which one?
The one with the Linda. Who is
She
that?
is not Whistle. She's Adi's girl.
Huh? Adi's lover?
Yes.
Adi also got girlfriend. See, in this age, even I don't have a girlfriend.
You are already married, na?
Yeah, that is my problem. If you eat biryani once, again and again, you will have the same feelings. You never eat biryani. Why should I talk to you?
Sometime I also used that.
I know you are a naughty boy.
It's really a good college, Mom. Within a day, my heart is full. Oh, is it? Then you go to sleep, Mom. I'll call you tomorrow. Good night, Mom. Even the first day is like this. How can I study for a year in this college?
You say yes to Adi's proposal. If you are Adi's girl, no one will bother you then.
I won't do anything like that. Love.
What? Are you ready? Really? So tomorrow we will meet there. Okay. I will kiss you. Darling. I think I need to weld it. Hey, be there carefully. You just go and enjoy, bro.
Wait. Whose brief is that?
What?
That one.
What reason?
I need to see. Just open and show me.
Hey, it's
I
mine.
asked you to open and show me, right? Show me.
Hey, it's not for
I
you.
have to see it.
It's so you come and see. Come.
Oh. Is that a skirt?
He's seen first time. Go on, die, man. Hey, get up, man.
What happened?
Nothing will be happen, man. Now think about yourself.
You only told me that she was coming.
Everything was okay.
Then?
At last my innerwear fooled me.
Why did you use other briefs? Why don't you buy, idiot?
What, bro? You know, spending money for inners, it's a foolish thing. With that money, we can buy a beer, man. Also, we can go movies.
You won't change unless you will definitely get a bacterial infections. Then you know.
Bacteria? For me? All bacteria will be diffused. I have that power, man. It's in my body.
In this body, right?
Okay, leave it. How are you going to propose her? Do you have any plan?
I don't have any experience, da. But you have lot of experience. You should help me, please.
You know that? Are you believing me? Then I will talk with her. I will link you both and then only I sleep.
Hey, that Gearwan is hitting on her. Will it work for him?
Jenny is not a normal girl. Nobody can do anything her.
Yes, right.
That is sure. We need to reach there before she come. Come on.
Go. Lalata, it's a fresh start. Please be with me.
Hey Adi,
Ah,
the song is ready. Come fast.
coming.
We want to go.
You go and rock, man. Huh? It's been 18 days now. I tried everything, but why is not working, God? Please, God, help something. Jana? I'm not running behind you because there are no other girls. I thought you should find a good man.
Is that so? I don't need any handsome boy.
Adi is so innocent, not like this what you are thinking.
I never thought love was so tough, man.
It's because of one side, that's the problem. If you take the history of all lovers, the 90% of lovers will be one-side love.
Is it?
Yes.
Then definitely it will happen, right?
See, I told you many times, I don't need your recommendation for Adi.
Once the one-side love will be success, it's end up with marriage.
But this Jana nature, she won't fall that easily.
Hey, leave it, man. First, let me understand properly. Then I will plan something.
Hey, place that one, Ra. Yeah. Place that one.
All these have this job only, right? See that one.
Sir,
Who is that?
aren't you taking class?
Will you study if I take class? He will and she will too. Even if I don't take the class, then what is the purpose of class? At home, my wife doesn't allow the phone. Please allow me here to play.
No, sir, you can play, sir. I know your interest, sir.
Where are these guys? Huh? Shall we see here? Is there
Hey,
anybody?
what is it?
Nothing, teacher. Why she is looking at me like
Why
that?
you like same profile pic?
Yes, da.
Class was nice. No?
If she see this photo, everything will be collapsed.
Speak frankly first.
Bro. She is good movie lover. If see this photo, it will be trouble.
But Linda said she's not active in social media.
That will be true, but somebody show the photos to her, everything will be handled. You know, she don't like this kind of people.
Hey, no way at all.
It's easy to be 100-year club, but it's very hard to be
Here?
girls.
Or hand cricket.
Sir,
Which will be better.
Jetty.
Jetty? Who's Jetty?
Yeah, he.
Idiot. Say clearly. It's a classroom. Such a troublemaker disturbing my class.
What's the problem?
Bro, Jetty. Bro, what is your original name?
Sajeev.
Your original name.
Sajeev.
Why is he here?
Sir,
Again he comes.
Sajeev.
Sajeev,
Yes, sir.
he is calling you. Go.
What do you want?
Come. Come here.
Please.
Come. Hey, come with me, I will tell you. I have only 100. Do you know that?
Wait, I will give him.
Go. Wait, I will sort out everything. Do it fast, man.
Don't hurry. This is only for you. Hey, leave it.
Yeah, fast.
Don't push it.
Slowly. Fast, yeah. It's time to go.
Who's that?
Yeah, fast.
What?
Is it the type? Now are you happy?
Yeah.
This is what I want.
Now only I am feeling so comfortable.
Why are you seeing
Yeah.
me, uncle? Oh my god! Oh my god, everything is wrong here!
Police.
Oh my
what
god, I'm never gonna come
What
to
happened to this
here!
police?
I can do anything. You don't worry. Bro,
Hmm?
you want help? Are you sure you want help? And stick it. Bro, stick it there.
Sure. I'm a big fan since childhood. Look at him standing. I have no other go. Forgive me, Lalata.
No, not Mammootty, it's Muhammad Gutti. How a cute boy. Now you see this place. What a beauty we can see now. Wow.
You did this intentionally, right?
This one? Me? Hey bro, your Janna is a Mammootty fan. Is it my problem? Not only that. And we don't want people like you.
Not Mamuti, DQ father. That's
What,
enough.
Bro, come here. Here what we will do?
She support legal right. Put some on legal there.
Okay, then we will do that.
Hey, look, there is a new Mammootty fan here. Stop it.
Jetty, why she is not responding me?
Just one time. Only one time you have to do that.
Huh?
You're not understand? In this college, we want to bring the green flag.
Not possible, Jetty. A comrade blood flow in my veins.
You can be comrade. She is League Party. Her father also big leader of League Party. Again, you are saying you are comrade. Loss is not mine, only yours.
First time in the history of college, da. MSP's flag is flying high
Hear
here.
that flag, man.
Adi, if you are with us means
Hey,
we
guide it
won't
well.
lose this, da.
Hey, don't worry. You have my strong support, okay?
See that.
Today Adi came so early, no?
Hey, keep quiet. Hey, give me the flag.
Hey, come with me, da.
He's our boy.
MSP.
MSP's candidate. Vote for him.
Hey, Adi, you changed your political party.
No.
Till last year
that's
you were
because-
supporting SFI, no?
There is a time for everything, right? I will have to change anyway in the future. So it's better I do it now.
Hey, let's go. There's a limit to everything.
Da.
Just think about him, da. Even he can't be the fan of his own hero, da.
I can't believe he switched his party. That is problem.
Everything is happening for the girl, right? Everything will be alright.
Why she is not looking at me?
What is this Illuminati underwear?
I am talking seriously here. You are always doing something. Give me a solution.
It will take too much of time. It will not simply. Hey, don't get tension here.
I already heard this before.
Hey, we will make it ready.
Will it happen before I die?
You don't believe in God. You know, boy, God's support is most important. The girl which you are like, it's very hard to get married, you know that? There will be lot of problem. You can still try. Let me see what I can do.
Actually, how many days will be taken?
Bro, it will take some time. Everything will happen. You can expect some changes from tomorrow itself.
Okay.
Show your hand.
Hold it.
You will see its effects from her tomorrow. Oh my god. Everything should be on time. No. After everything happen, you can come and give me that. Okay
then.
Everything will happen on time.
Swami, I will come after 2 days.
I don't know about these things.
See this
What should I do? Hey, look at me.
See this. Eat.
Brother needs some pickle.
Take it. Yeah, eat well.
Dude, this love guru is big deal, right?
What are you asking, bro? You know what I am doing? Love Guru is the main reason. Why my parents got married, that is the main reason.
What is happening there?
Was it a love marriage for your parents?
Don't ask. It was deep love. Love blossomed, but finally he showed his character. And my mom, she returned the favor.
What is that?
Huh? Bro, black magic. That's how she did it. The guru gave my mother some holy hash. It was tricky stuff. And the result you see is me.
Eat
What
well,
a
bro.
story you have.
What are you doing like this?
Karnam bro, can you sing one song?
Yeah, please sing.
You buy one bottle, we will conduct big
That
concert.
will be there, sure. You sing.
Ah. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na.
Hello?
To talk to Jana. Move from there, please.
Just a minute. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah.
Guys, 1 minute.
Okay, bro.
Oh, can you move?
Okay.
Hey, let's go.
Uh,
I don't know why are you chasing me like this?
I like to chase you rather than walk with you.
Huh?
No, sorry. Not walk with you. I like to... made a mistake.
You like me so much?
Yeah.
Then do one thing. Come and ask my parents. If my parents are okay, then I'll accept.
Jana, when are you going to home?
I visit my home every Saturday. Don't you know that?
I know, but still. Finally, she said okay.
Mom, your idea was good, but it has backfired. He's right behind our car, Mom. I'm getting scared.
Hey, don't worry. He's just trying to scare you, that's all. He will return after some time.
I'm looking at him. I don't think he is going to return.
Wait some more time. He will leave.
Brother, stop. Where are you coming?
Home.
To whom?
Your home.
Why?
You only said have to speak in home.
Are you mad? I'm warning you, go back.
You say I love you, I will go.
If my father know about you, he'll tear you into pieces.
Why are you behaving like school student? That afraid was gone when I was 3rd standard.
Don't play with me. You'll regret it for sure.
For that regretting only I am trying to hear.
Brother, start the car. Mom, this is Adi. Disgusting.
Hi mom. How are you mom? Are you good?
Who's there in your house apart from your parents?
I'm not Hindu like you think mom.
Huh?
I'm the Muslim who prays 5 times.
Seriously?
Mm.
That's not what she said.
Everyone in the college think I'm Hindu. I don't want to correct them. What's the point anyway? It's just a namesake. Talking about my family, I'm an orphan mom. It's a long story. Have to tell a lot.
God, who's that? Who's knocking?
Open the door. Sugra? Sugra? Open the
coming,
door.
coming. Get in fast.
You close the
Where
door.
were
quickly.
you?
I will tell you.
Did somebody see you? Why are you taking the suitcase?
I won't stay here long. They will kill me.
Allah.
I am leaving from here.
Yeah.
If you need money, tell Madhavan. Okay? I have told everything with him.
But still, you are leaving us alone.
Don't cry. Okay? Okay, I'm leaving. Close the door.
You be careful.
During my childhood, my father absconded because of debt. But soon, he repaid all his debts and come back.
Dad,
Come. Who is this?
Give me the
My
bag.
dear sweetest son,
Dad.
right? What I bring for you, huh? You know?
what is it, father?
Madhava, bring that cycle for
Wow, cycle. Mom, cycle.
Yeah, I saw it. Ride carefully. Be careful.
It was a day of celebration in our house.
Dad, I need a horn for my cycle.
I will buy that. Which one you like it?
I need one with a lot of tunes.
Yeah, I will bring that, okay?
Okay.
Adi, You sleep in the another room today.
Okay, mom.
He knows something.
Kids are not like old times. They know everything nowadays.
What do you know? Tell me.
I won't tell you.
And the next day, I woke up. Many people in my house.
Leave me.
Are you leaving today?
I have to leave. Otherwise, cause big trouble. My boy. Hey, listen my words.
Don't touch me. I don't want to see you. Mom.
Dad returned soon after my mother died. Then he heard from someone that he died in the Gulf. But my father, he took very good care of me. Now that's my story, Ma. I love Jannah. She's like my mother. Can you marry her to me, please?
I understand that you like her a lot. But I can't take a decision myself. She's not my daughter alone, right? Let her father come. I will talk to him, okay?
Adi, you haven't left?
No, I was telling my story to Mom.
You're trying to impress her, right?
Take it like you want. Mama know everything, isn't it, Ma?
Is that so, Mom?
Okay, miss, and you can leave now.
Hey, Nancy.
Hey, mother has agreed. But I'm nervous about her father. Tension.
Why are you getting so tensioned, bro? As you have convinced your mother, you will get a positive review by Monday. Ouch!
What are you doing, man? Crazy fellow. Let me see.
I hope that psycho Rose bro not here. I'm scared only for that. Total silence, like cemetery. Come, do I shift my house here? Wow, calling bell. Wow, again Dulquer Salman. Someone will come now.
Hi, Jetty.
Hi, Saranya. Ta-ra-ra-ra, ta-ra-ra-ra, ta-ga-ri-ga, ta-ra-ra.
You go. You like Anjali only, no?
Hey, Anjali is just
Hey.
my cousin.
Why did we come here?
Oh, yeah, why? I forgot. Hey, Saranya, is Jana here?
Ah, she's here changing her dress.
Can you call her?
Huh?
Hey, Saranya, why did you block me on WhatsApp?
Huh? I'm in Telegram now.
Wow, she's in Telegram. Oh my god, Rose bro is coming.
Hey, this is a ladies' hostel. If you don't behave nicely,
No.
I'll break your bonds. Got it? Huh. Oh, Adi.
What's wrong with her?
What happened, Adi?
What is our status?
What about us?
Yeah, your status.
I don't get it.
Did you forget that I came in your house?
Oh,
Have your dad returned?
about that. Yeah, my dad is here. My mom told about you. But my dad is not interested in you. So I'm not interested as well.
Tragedy.
So please leave me alone. I'll go now.
Dude, let her go. She's talking too much. Now leave it, bro.
Jetty,
Huh?
I want to drink.
Hey, leave it, man. Why would you want to drink now? I don't have money. Are you okay with the bush? In that case, our warden will have it.
Whatever it is. Otherwise, my head will burst.
Okay.
I'm promisely saying it, Ra.
Why?
It's very tough to get this. I'm just giving only for Adi, okay? Be careful while using,
Okay.
okay?
Okay. Okay, bro.
Leave now, bro.
What's this? Adi, stop laughing. Are you tripping already? Stop laughing, man.
Jetty, I want to love.
Hey, leave it, man. She is difficult.
This stupid black magic and stuffs. Shit! Janna, who need her? I want to love someone else, man.
Eh? What did you say?
You are right, man. Love is great intoxicant. I experienced in these few days, but it's not enough.
Huh?
You say, man, tell me, who should I love, man? You should find me a girl, okay?
Then what about being cute? Look like your mother, being able to carry.
Not like that, man. She would be good
Is that
vessel.
whistle? Because you are in high, right?
I'm so serious. It's a matter of pride now. I want to love someone.
Hmm.
Hey, I'm a man. I have the thing too.
Go, man. In this college, it's not choose good one. I think you didn't get what I am saying. Come, let's go near the gate. We will lock the first whistle we see. Come. Oh no. Can't spot even on today. What's that? It's bus strike on today.
Really?
Today it will be really hot. Sure.
See,
Hey,
It's
come.
Ashwati.
Let's go. It won't work.
why won't work?
Hey, I am telling you,
Hey,
no. Come.
leave, man.
Hey,
She is
man,
enough.
please
She is
understand.
enough.
I am
Hey,
telling you, no.
leave,
Hey,
man.
Come,
She
man.
is enough to me. We spoke it
don't-
already, right?
Hey, don't go. Hey, Adi, come here. Hey, don't do it.
Very
Hey, Adi.
Sorry.
Really? What do
Everyone's
you
in the
want?
same thing, you know?
Oh, today Varu looks very pretty.
Ashwati,
Huh? Yeah, tell me,
I
Adi.
came to you with a proposal, Ashwati.
For whom? For you, Adi?
Yes.
But you were after Jana, right? What happened then? Did not it work out?
She have lot of attitude.
Then leave me also, Adi.
Hey, don't say like that.
Leave me, Adi.
Hey,
Hey,
please.
leave
Leave me, please.
I don't understand.
Take
I
your
said
hand.
leave her.
Please
Hey,
leave
poor
me.
you, man.
Hey,
Adi, leave me.
Hey, get lost, bloody.
Leave me, Adi. What are you doing?
Bloody rascal.
Harita, it's a college.
What
Don't
are we
make a
standing?
scene, okay? Please.
Get
Please
lost,
listen
man.
to me. We'll go from here. Come.
Hey, get lost.
I will kill you.
Adi,
Idiot.
please, we leave from here. We just go, Hari. Hey, please. What are you telling? Huh? Okay. What she said? Okay.
He's the guy. Go and finish him. Go.
Let's go. Come.
Just go away.
Leave him!
Hey, move from here.
Hari, please leave him, Hari! Hari! Hey, please leave
Go
him!
away.
Why are you beating him?
You go.
Jenna.
Thrash that girl to the death.
Hey, stop, man!
Jenna.
Hey, get a man. Hey.
Anyway, nothing happened to you. You are really brave out of there. We should not inform this to your house.
If my family knows, I have no idea what happens. So, no one should know this. You go to college tomorrow.
Okay, Adi. Shall we leave?
You leave. I stay here only.
why, man?
She is alone, right?
Adi, you can go.
Call me if you want anything.
Come. Okay. Let's enjoy. Good night, sweet dreams. Okay, bye. Come on. She is karate black belt. Let's go, dude. After going only...
You can't get off to that anger you have with Adi. How much he is suffering because of you.
Only because of him, I'm like this here, you know?
Did anybody inform you to go between that fight? You really love Adi, no? Because of your parents only you are denying, no?
I really like him. But it's not love.
Oh, now I'm happy. Now only I'll call him.
Linda, stay quiet. You don't have any other jobs?
But she is attacking very powerful Karna, bro. I got goosebumps. Like Vijay films and all. Oh, I see. So, she is like our boy, right?
That's why she is in
Move this
hospital
hand.
now.
Did you have your breakfast?
No, Mom. I'm going to the college. I'll call you in the evening. Okay.
Adi, I'm leaving. Already it's late. Evening I'll come. Hey, bye.
Adi, why did you wash all my clothes? Linda will clean up my clothes in the evening.
What's the problem? I will take care. Don't feel bad, okay?
Oh my god. Why did he give it then?
For his sister's marriage, he doesn't have money. So he was so tense about that.
Oh.
Yashoda?
Did you get it, Sajeev?
Sajeev? Who is that?
Huh?
Jati.
You only.
That's enough. That's the name. It's vibe, no?
What happened?
Ta-ta-doing. Take this key and ATM. What to do? He took 35,000 extra.
That's okay. We got it anyway, right?
Shall I leave? There is a party happening. Okay? Be vibe, Jati.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, I'm calling him.
Birthday.
Adi, tomorrow you come early. No, because I have some clothes to wash. I don't have anyone to wash my clothes, you know?
Hey, stop it.
Yep. Bye. He has agreed to come early.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear you. Happy birthday to you. Santosha Janmadinam Kuttike. Santosha Janmadinam Kuttike. Hey hey. Santosha Janmadinam Kuttike. Hey hey. Santosha Janmadinam Kuttike.
You can discharge on Monday.
Huh.
We'll remove the bandage on 10 days. Okay? Yeah, okay.
Okay. I'll be
good
discharged by
morning, doctor.
Monday.
We can go home now.
With this leg, right?
He came.
Huh.
Bye. Bye, laundry.
Hey, get lost. Why are you staring me like that?
Many more happy returns of the day.
Huh? How did you know?
That,
Should be Linda.
What should I gift you? I already got you a gift.
Okay then, let me see. Where is it?
Look outside. Hey.
Jana, your phone is ringing.
Can you see who is it?
Ah. Jana, it's your father.
Don't attend. I'll call him back.
Dude, have you seen Adi? What's wrong with it? Hey, dude, did you see Adi?
No.
Did you see Adi?
No, I have seen.
Do you know where is he? Did you see Adi?
I didn't see.
Oh, where did he go?
Hi friends. You know one thing? It's very hard and it's very costly. From today onwards, we are going to make liquor in our hostel. You all drink and enjoy. For this program, I am requesting you all to come and bless me. Yeah. Shall we start?
Karna bro, did you see Adi?
We are doing a big business. That time you are Adi.
Spirit?
Yeah, bro.
Oh my God.
Liquor.
Oh, nice. It's visible.
What kind of getup this? See your hair, beard and color, faces and all. You are new generations. I don't like these new generations, you know that? What kind of hair this is? Huh? What is
Amal
your name?
DQ.
Huh?
Amal DQ.
DQ?
It's my house
What
name,
is the
sir.
DQ?
Developer Ambil Qasim.
Developer Amil Qasim. That sound good? Developer Amil Qasim.
Sir, this is the guy who makes the problem regularly in front of the women's college, sir. This is he.
I was doing reels only,
Did you give him water?
Yes, sir. One bottle have given.
You give him 1 bottle water. Play TikTok in my station limit.
Don't hit me.
Take him to lock up. Come with me.
Sir, can I take my phone?
What?
I want to call my friend, so...
Phone.
Yes, sir.
I already told you to take off your pants.
I am not weird inside.
I already told you to do that.
It's shorter than his trouser, sir.
If I say something, you have to hear. Otherwise, I will beat you, everybody. I told you.
I will do it, sir.
Who is that?
This is Vasco da Gama.
Hey, do you really get high when you brew in a cooker?
Sir, it will be really good.
It will roughly mix. It will be the Hanamaiki, sir. How you will make it? Sir, you have to take a 5-liter pressure cooker. In that, take pineapple, grape, orange, everything you have to put in that. Even if the raid also come, no issues. But I already heard that you are using some poisonous snakes and... Sir, you know everything. Yes, sir. I have seen in YouTube. Is it right? That's what professional people do, sir. We don't do that, sir. It is enough for them, sir.
That is enough for us.
Sir, can you give my phone, sir? My friend is facing a big trouble, sir.
What? What is his problem?
Jana, your phone is ringing.
Can you see who is it?
Jana, it's your father.
Jenna, he is an engineer in Canada. And also good family too. Let them come see you and go.
Whatever it might be, we'll see next month. I have exams now. I need to prepare for it.
Alright, I will inform them. Okay, take care.
I'll call you later. I got a proposal. That's how it works, right? Just like in movies, when the actors fall in love, there might be a twist. Adi, don't be scared. My father will listen to me.
What if he doesn't agree?
That's because you don't know him. I like my dad more than my mother. He's my role model. What are you thinking, Adi? Adi! Just before I went to bathroom, you told you were going to give me something.
Yes, but then I thought about it. That's wrong, Jana. Your parents have raised you with a lot of expectations.
Huh?
You girl pretty all alone, right? Did you spare me a drop?
Will my sadness go if you drink? Tell me, will my sadness go if you drink?
Sadness? Tell me what's wrong. You got a girlfriend, so you want to celebrate, man.
Who said she's in love? Did I say that she's in love?
Why should you say that? The main thing, the bike is the only proof for your love.
Just because she bought me bike, do you think this is love? If she has feelings for me, I don't have feelings on her.
What you said about Adi was true, you know? You can't find boys like him nowadays. I need his caring till the end of my life.
Have you gone mad? If you don't love her, then why did you even try?
I got to know her real character in the last 2 days of interaction. I can't take care of her all my life hereafter.
You sleep now. Your mind is not working right. Get some sleep, please. You are in booze.
It
so please
won't
sleep.
work. Get
I
lost.
tell you no.
Go away, man.
Sleep, man.
Go. Give me some peace of mind, man.
Everyone likes him for his character. I've decided one thing. If I marry someone in this life, it will be Adi.
Hi. I just came to see you. It's been a long time. How is now?
Yeah, it's better now.
You both are in love, right? I heard you brought the bike for him. The story is popular in college.
We got close now. We are in love.
He is not romantic at all. Why would you choose him? Huh? You wasted your life. There are really good boys in our college. Huh?
It's okay. He's enough for me.
It's alright. What's lacking in me? I have a thick beard and a bullet too.
You say whatever you want. Adi is enough for me.
Okay then. I'm leaving. See you, compounder.
Jana, the vehicle will come now. We will go after it comes, okay? It will take 10 minutes.
There's much time, right? Come and sit here. Adi.
Room number 213, right?
Yeah, this is the
the
room.
one. Come. So I heard it right. Jenna, how did it happen?
Who told you guys?
That's what you want to know. I asked you, how did it happen?
I fell down.
Who is this?
He is my college mate, Adi.
Why didn't you call us? Why you are hiding from us this thing?
Moidu, nothing happened to me. I just slipped down. I don't want to bother you guys. Who informed you? I need to know.
Why do you have to know that? We heard a lot of things about you. Come, let's move. We will talk there.
Jana, so I am leaving.
You leave. I'll call you.
Okay.
See, let's just do away with him.
Please quiet, Dad. My uncle. Let's pretend that we don't know it.
If she likes him lot, let's get it done.
Best mom ever. No wonder. Once upon a time, she is also in love. Let her recover. I know what to do.
Uncle, she was talking only about him all the way up here. Moreover, she is stressed on the fact that she will only marry with him.
Should have to hit her then. Had it been me,
Then we all admitted in the ICU.
He's not picking up.
Try him again.
Humbly, give us some time. Has the pain reduced? Jenna,
I know what you're going to say. Dad, I can't think of anyone other than Adi.
girls of your age are adamant, I know. It's a feeling when you see handsome men get married and have a family and 3-4 kids. You feel laugh at your past.
Dad, please. Can't you get married me to Adi?
Jenna, please don't adamant about this. I will be hurt, okay?
Adi.
why she is calling? Linda, tell me.
Hey, why you not picking Janna's call?
Nothing, I have work.
But she is really sad.
I'll call her.
You aren't coming for the door.
No,
Why you are not coming?
I don't have mood.
Hey, what happened to you, Adi? I've been noticing you in the college. You have changed a lot.
That's your wrong assumption. Okay, then good night.
What? Good night?
One.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. Okay then.
Look at her.
Okay.
How she
You
did.
guys. What is this? Oh, okay. This is the dance. Warming dance. Come on.
See her steps.
One,
It's so
two,
funny.
This is Moonwalker. Okay.
You guys should take care of the stage, okay?
That's right.
Okay.
Like this.
Is this
All
the-
will be neat and clear, okay?
Fine.
All should be neat.
Hey, we can do as per
Okay,
his
Ra, you
Yes,
can
yes, no
manage,
problem.
don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah, he's there, right? No problem, Ra.
Shit.
What you are
We
telling
will
us?
finish as much, okay?
We have to rock
That's
it.
no problem. Yeah, we can do.
Yeah.
Janna,
Adi,
I'm in the practice now. Call me later.
We three are there.
you guys celebrate. It's been a month since I came here. Don't you feel like calling me even once?
You are calling me, right?
No,
That's
as
enough.
Per his plans, we can do.
I called to inform you that I'm getting married this November 22nd.
Sure, Ra.
What have you decided?
What should I say? You all made the decision, right?
I have decided something. Whether I'm living or dying, it will be with you.
Don't talk anything like that. Mom is with you. Better you both guys run away somewhere. Your father is very short-tempered. Initially, he'll get very angry, but then it will subside. Your father won't do such things like what my father did to me.
I'm so scared, Mom.
Don't expect anything it to be happen with your father permission. Because I know the value of true love. That's what I'm saying you.
Brother, they don't have any demands, right? Then why are you getting tension?
I'm not tensioned, but there should be any shortcomings.
So please be serious. This is the one of the good proposal.
Dad, I left all my clothes in a college hostel. I need to go.
No need. Only 15 days left for the marriage. You won't go.
Not just that, I need to invite my friends too. That's why.
Do one thing. Take Sinan with you.
Adi! Adi!
Did you come to invite me? It's on 22, right? I will come.
Not that! I have to tell you something!
Whatever, that's it. I don't have time. You can say from there. I shall listen.
Adi, just a minute, come! Adi!
What, Jana? What do you have to say?
Let's go somewhere, Adi.
Where?
I left my house for you. I want to live with you. Come, Adi, let's go somewhere.
Are you mad? Your dad is your role model, right? You are saying that don't need the marriage.
I don't know anything. I just want to live with you.
I should agree for that, right? I am not ready to elope. We don't such a marriage by irking our family.
Oh, is that so? You followed me every day when I was avoiding you. Then why did you change? Please, Adi. I dreamed a lot about a life with you.
Listen to me, Jana. Leave me alone, please.
Don't you love me? What did I do? Why are you avoiding me like this? Why? You don't have to say anything. Do you like me or not?
Let it be then. I don't like you.
Jana. Jana. Shall we go?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Adi? Were you serious? You don't really love me?
Yes.
What happened, Jana?
Sachi,
Tell me. Tell.
Adi said he doesn't love me.
You mean Adi?
You guys pull me into this together, right? You have to tell him that I can't forget him. It's my marriage on this 22nd. Please tell him I want to live with him. Please. I want to live with him, please.
Adi, did you avoid her? I am asking you.
Yes, I told. What happened now?
Hey, did you lose your mind, you fool? Why did you tell her that?
That is my personal. Why should you know?
You have personal?
Yes.
Then who I am, Adi? After that, don't come to me again. I don't have anything to do with you, you filthy face. Adi, I am Janna's cousin. I strongly opposed your love and informed the dad and created issues. I am telling you now, you should marry Janna. She wants you that much. I took care of her since childhood. I cannot see her sadness. It's my request. Please.
Hey, go away.
Adi, why did you cry, bro?
I didn't cry.
Adi, look at me. We are together from a long time. I know very well you are choking. Tell me what's the matter?
Will anyone marry his own sister?
What, your sister?
We have the same father.
I have told you 1,000 times not to wear that solo underwear. See what has happened. You are now in Dulquer solo. What do we do now?
I don't know, man.
It's a tragedy, dude.
Please, Adi. I dreamed a lot about to live with you. Please let me live with you. Adi, were you serious? You don't love me? What did I do wrong? Why are you avoiding me?
Maybe I might never come back here. Even if I leave, you two should be here. For the memories of us too.
Yesterday onwards I searching, sir. He's not picked my car.
You just try once again.
Okay. He's always changed the dialect tone, sir.
Is it? You said today is her marriage, right?
Yes, sir.
Will he do something because he is upset?
Mom?
Hadi? When did you come?
Just now I reached. Where is Jana?
She's upstairs. You go and see her. Huh? Hadi! Please take it. Take it.
Do you know me?
Yeah, I know. I'm your big fan.
Adi, I didn't expect that you'd come.
I didn't want to, but I have to return the bike. So what I came.
Oh, that's why you're here? Let it be with you, Adi. I don't have your heart to return to you.
Jana, who is here?
She's Farzana, my cousin. She is Sina brother's sister. Why do you ask? You come, I'll introduce you to my father.
Yeah, they have left before one.
Dad,
What is it?
he is Adi. I told you, right? Okay, let's go.
here. Don't make a scene. So please leave it here. Go, man. Otherwise, I shout
Hey,
bloody
leave it,
hell.
dude. Don't ask him anything.
Adi, whose photographs you are taking? Are you not you a big launderer? She let it go. But if it me, I have driven a merchant to your guts. Okay, then I'll leave.
What's happening, Adi, here?
What?
I'm seeing you making eye contact with Varsana. You're thinking I don't understand anything. You should not have done this one here only.
Then what you thought? That would be singing Manasa Maina.
But I didn't expect a scene like this, okay? That too from you. What and all you were telling? A girl like your mother, you're telling so many good words, now? Now what happened, big cheater?
You get lost first.
Askar, wait. I will give the bread hand to father.
What is this new kind of tradition? In our Islam, the bride father should give her.
Come here.
My son, you get up now. This family is not fit for us. We have done a great mistake. This daughter is an orphan. Even she don't know who is the father of her. These all things they are seeing now. Come, let's go.
Please,
Get
please
away
listen
from
my
me.
words. Don't go, please.
You don't need to
Please.
say anything. No, we are going.
Please listen my words. Don't go. Sir, why you did this to my daughter? Huh?
This is not I am doing, Mr. Askar. It is a law of Islam. You are not her father. You cannot do this marriage because it is Islam's against law.
I have spoiled my daughter's life. I trusted you more. You spoiled my daughter's life. There is any way? Tell me.
You just call your son. Give her to him. Can you do that? What happened? You cannot do that.
So you're not the father? Tell me the truth. Who's my father? You could have told me that I'm not your own daughter. I told you 1,000 times I don't want this marriage. Yet you forced me into this marriage. Why, Dad? Tell me. Tell me.
This is Adil Askar, my son.
What are they telling da?
He is my own blood, one and only my son. I have a lot of problem, so I decided to escape from my home. I have no other options. I met the man. He helped me a lot. He gave me more money. I solved all the problems with that money. But I had to give my life in return. The day cleared my all debts and returned to home. I had tell all the truths with her. She could not bear it. And when my son started hating me, I don't have a guts to tell all the truths with him. I gave the Adi with Madhavan. I cheated everyone that I am going to foreign country. That he is in love with Janna. I know. I know that he is my son. Though Janna was not my own daughter, he said he is in love with her. I could not approve of this love. That's the reason why I didn't agree. But I'm telling now. This guy is going to marry Janna, my son.
In front of these people, you said that your son. That's enough. Then Janna, I like her very much. Then only I realized she is my sister. After then here, I gave space as a sister. Sinon is standing here. I know he is love her very much. If she likes, marry with him.
Adi.
Now only I understand everything. Is this the reason you have avoided me? You could have told me. I was so worried about you.
I thought you going to hate your father.
So now you know I'm not your sister. Then why did you talk like that in front of everyone?
I feel like you are my sister still now.
Enough! You could have seen me that I'm someone's daughter. That's enough. I need you.
Tangle father, I can't see my daughter like this. But you can make it happen. But she should not end up like me.
You don't worry, dear. I will do whatever is possible. I will submit everything to God. He will take care of it.
Hi.
Hi.
Happy married life, Jenu.
Adi, this is my cousin Fazana.
I know.
All problems solved. Are you happy now, Johnny?
Yeah.
Adi is also happy now. Let's have a selfie together.
Yeah, of course.
We can take.
Let me switch on the camera.
Haven't you changed this ringtone yet?
Shall we take now?
Okay.
Okay, then
Bye.
see you. Bye. Bye.
Okay. What happened?
Hey Adi, where are you?
Jetty in line.
How many times I call you? Why you didn't pick my call? Don't tension, dude. Come back. I have a great witch here. We will finish him. He will die now itself.
Hey,
Hi.
check your WhatsApp.
Dude, so your father, her father, same?
Almost.
Great father.
What?
Your father is not my father. He is your uncle.